Recording is. So today we will do the chapter 1 in a workbook, giving you all the homework because everything is completed in the textbook. First of all,
ma'am.
I want to ask you, is there any doubt in the exercise 1.2?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So I just hope that everybody has completed the exercise 1.2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am moving ahead with the workbook first. Workbook, I am giving you the homework only because everything is completed in the exercise. Same thing is there. Some of the questions are also only not matching. Just bring your workbook fast. Yes. Chaliye. Now first question is given, fill in the blanks. Can you try to solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
See, today I am giving the second number. Rational numbers are dash under addition. See, today you just try to get the answers yourself. Okay, tomorrow I will give you all the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
First you try, then I will give you the answers.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. पहले सबको try करना है. Otherwise you will not get anything. First का
Can I answer?
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
नहीं. Just try. Let's try to everyone, and then tomorrow we'll discuss if it is possible. Okay. First try it yourself. Second, true and false are there. MCQs are also there. Exercise sum based on exercise 1.1. So same exercise is given. Only the digits are changed.
हमको बिना देखे करना है ऐसा?
बिना देखे as a taste.
Okay, ma'am.
Use a pencil if you want, or if you want pen, you can use it.
Okay, ma'am.
But चेका चुकी नहीं चाहिए. Pencil is okay. In the maths, pencil is okay because sums can be wrong. So you can do with the pencil also. And if you want, you can do with pen also. But I don't want the cheka chuki like that way. If you are confident, then do directly write with the pen. If you are not confident, write with the pencil. Okay? Chaliye. So
I complete whole chapter.
everything is there only, and some exam based on exercise 1.2 is also given. Now represent, find the rational numbers smaller than 3. These are also there. Okay, so might be you will get all the answers. You will be able to do this first chapter in this workbook.
Yes, ma'am.
See.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलिए. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I complete whole chapter, but no, ma'am. I got one question only.
Second question that we will discuss tomorrow. Let everybody has to try. Then we will discuss by tomorrow. Saturday is the last day. Okay, we will discuss it. And tomorrow is your what? Surprise test is also there, right? So the question is orally, beta.
Okay.
So I will ask you some questions also, give you answers also of this workbook. Now regarding the post test. Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed post test and pre-test both.
In the application also you have completed, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The post test is not opening.
I have opened today only. So how it is open before that?
Okay, ma'am.
Just now
So
I
I
have
have
completed.
Yes.
just in a file.
Today only I have done this one. So you will not able to
Ma'am,
see
you-
anything.
Ma'am,
Now
you can see the pre-test mine.
I will see it, but now we are going with your post test first of all. Okay. First question is said, how many integers are there between 9 and 10? Minus 9 and minus 10. So there is no integer. Fractions are there. Doing the post test data.
मैम ये जो हमने फाइल में किया था ना वही है, पूरे का पूरा सेम ही है.
हाँ हाँ.
Yes.
But is
Yes,
there any
ma'am.
answers over there?
Yes, ma'am.
This question
What,
have
ma'am?
answers?
Ma'am, I have write the answer of these questions.
But answers are not given na beta.
No, ma'am.
So just revising one time. So today we will finish this chapter only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. चलिए. First question is that how many integers are there between -9 and -10? So there is no integers, right? So you have to write there is no integer between -9 and -10. Clear? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
got
Yes,
second
ma'am.
rank in post test.
It is of post test only beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this we are writing right now. You want to write with pen or pencil?
See, again I am repeating, if you are confident, write with the pen. If you are not confident, write with the pencil. I don't have any problem. Only thing is there, I don't want cheka-chuki in your notebook, workbook, posters everywhere. I
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
want to make it dirty anyhow. I want everything should be clean only. Just now I am repeating
Okay,
the
ma'am.
answers, so it is final answer only. So you can add with the pen also. Okay, chaliye. Second question. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocal. So which are equal? It is in the fill in the blank also.
Ma'am,
1 and minus
0,
1.
1 and minus
1.
1. 1 and minus 1 would be answer.
Yes.
Third question. Write the rational numbers that does not have a reciprocal.
Yes.
So 0 has
Ma'am.
no reciprocal. Okay. Next question, short answers. The cost of 19/4 meter of wire is of this much. Find the cost of the 1 meter of wire. So cross multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
Cost of 19/4 meter wire is equal to 171/2. So cost of 1 meter wire is equal to what?
18 rupees.
मैम हमने कल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया था तो उसमें 384 डिवाइडेड बाय 38 आया था.
19.4. Like this way. If division is there, so what you have to do? You have to convert to the multiplication, and the next term would become the reciprocal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to go for cutting. 2 to the 4, 19, 9 the 171. So answer will be 9 to the. So 18 meter close can come. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Cost of 1 meter is equal to rupees 18.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now second. Solve the following. Select the rational numbers from the list which are also an integer. उसमें से कौन-कौन से integers है? So you have to go for the cutting. If cutting is possible and if you are getting an integer, then it will be the answer. See, 9/4, but it will become 3/2. So it is not integer. 8/4. So you will get 4 to the 8. So 2 is your integer. 8/4. It becomes 4 to the 8. So 2 is your integer. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can explain one more time.
Yes,
ma'am. I can't
What you have to do? You have to convert these numbers into the simpler form. 8/4 is there. So try to cut it. So 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. So you will get as a 2 answer. 2 is integer.
Yes, ma'am.
2 integer होता है, so we can say that 8/4 is also integer.
Okay, ma'am.
Like this way you have to
Okay,
go for
ma'am.
everyone. Okay. 0 upon 1, so 0 is also integer. 1 upon 1, so 1 is only integer. 4 upon 2, 2 2s are 4 is integer. Like this you have to go, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Cutting करना है. If cutting is proper and if you are getting the whole number, then it is an integer. If you are not getting the whole number, it is not an integer, okay? Third number. If 16 shirts of equal size can be made out of 24 meter cloth, how much cloth is needed for making the one shirt? Same thing is there. Cloth needed of 16 shirts. Cloth needed of 16 shirts is equal to how much? 24 meter.
Yes, ma'am.
So cloth needed for one shirt is equal to how much? ऐसा लिखना है आपको properly. Cloth needed for 16 shirts is equal to 24 meter. So cloth needed for one shirt is equal to how much? So cross multiplication 24 into 1 divided by 16. Cut it. 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 is equal to 1.5 meter.
यस मैम मैम पर हम लोग 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 24 करेंगे तो भी हमको 1/5 मीटर मिल जाएगा.
It is of 2 mark question, beta. You have to give the method.
ओके मैम ओके.
Okay. चलिए. Now moving ahead with the next. Subtract. Minus 3 upon 8 from minus 5 upon 7. Subtraction you have to do, okay? Only one, this is the last question.
यस मैम.
Arey wow, we have completed it now. I think it is true. You have to subtract. So whenever the from is there, then forward. Minus 5 upon 7 minus into minus 3 upon 8 would be there. Remember, whenever subtraction is there, from के बाद जो भी होता है, that will come forward. Right? So that would be our question. So what we have to do now? Minus 5 upon 7. Here minus 5 minus it becomes plus 3 upon 8. Now take the LCM. LCM of 7 and 8.
LCM
56 होगा.
56.
Here we have to multiply with 8 and here by 7. So 56 remain as it is minus 8 5 the 40, right? And 7 is the plus
Right.
21. So 40 minus 21. How much will you get?
Minus plus minus 40 minus 21.
56. That is your answer. Minus 19
Yeah.
upon 56.
ओके मैम.
Further cutting is not possible. Okay? चलिए. Now is there any doubt?
नो मैम.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Like this way we have completed a post test also.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I completed post test.
Okay.
Ma'am, I completed the post test.
Now exercise also is given in the PDF. Worksheet also is submitted in the PDF. Okay. See, this whole exercise is also in this PDF. Homework में दिया है मैंने. So just complete it one time. All the answers are given in this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then practice worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
If you will open practice worksheet.
Ma'am, I don't practice worksheet.
Answers are. Do you have any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. It is very easy now.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope first chapter is easy for everyone now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So still, I am sending you this work as a homework. Please try to complete it on time. Okay? Tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, classwork is not open in app.
Class work. What we have done in the class work? Beta. What is it? Properties of rational number we have explained you.
Ma'am, but is not open.
Ma'am,
Huh.
we have to do practice worksheet in homework.
Practice worksheet, post test, and MBD's workbook. All three are homework only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
मम्मा
ma'am.
PDF भेज दोगे?
I will send you the PDF, but not today, huh? First,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have to try yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I will give
Okay,
you
ma'am.
answers.
Okay.
Okay. See, I have opened it
Okay,
out.
ma'am.
I don't know why it is not opening, or it should open or not. Okay, I don't know. So still, everything is completed in this chapter. Pre-test is done. Post-it I have started today. So you can also complete your post-it. We have solved it. Homework also we have completed, and worksheet also I have given to you. Homework I am speaking orally, right? But you can get it everything. Now, next time we will start the second chapter, which is too long.
Ma'am, linear equation in one
It
variable.
is too long chapter, so we will start it. And today also I am starting the post test. But first, you have to complete the first chapter. Okay, everyone? Then only go for the second chapter.
So मैम आपने सेकंड चैप्टर का भी प्री टेस्ट चालू कर दिया?
नहीं किया है अभी तक. I am just asking you. Will you able to do first chapter completely? Then only go for the second number.
पहले फर्स्ट चैप्टर को हम लोग कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, फिर आप ओपन कर लेना प्री टेस्ट.
Okay, ma'am.
देखो बेटा. See, that is now your duty to complete it on time. Okay, I have given you everything. If you have any problem, then you can tell me. Okay, but start to complete as early as possible now onwards. I'm not starting the second chapter, but today we have finished the whole chapter now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
उर्मी मैम,
Yes.
मैम इधर जो है ना साथी पैरालॉजी में आपने दिया है ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन पेपर जनरेटर, आप हमारा क्वेश्चन पेपर इसमें से ही निकालोगे?
See, if you know everything, you should not worry about the question paper. Okay. If you know everything, I can take out the question paper from Sarthi, from outside, from anywhere. Okay. If you are ready with the lesson, then you should not worry about the question paper. देखो, I want to make the hard question paper to test your knowledge.
Now moving towards the question number 2.
देख बना अटनो कर तेरी मस्त अटना देख मुंह बैठा नटना देख तेरी मस्त दिख लाओ.
Bhavesh, mute yourself. Bhavesh, mute yourself now. Okay.
मम्मी वो कर.
Shivani, off your
Started
mic.
now. See, you are not a kid now, beta. Child, you have also not given the pre-test. When will you give the pre-test now?
Ma'am, today I will give the board test. post test
Complete the whole
typing.
work in the application also. Okay, you will get it
Yes,
for
ma'am.
only. And all the exercise is also explained in the Sarthi app, in the presentation. Okay, video
Yes,
is given. If you have any doubt, if you want to, if you want to take, more guidance, in that,
Ma'am,
you can get through the application also, presentation also. But do it now. Okay.
ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
gave both the post test and pre-test.
Okay. Just completed everything. Okay, beta. That is only there. Now, shall we start now second chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Start it now.
What, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am.
Now book is over here only. I'm opening that page. Wait a minute now, okay? Associate property for everyone. Closure property is that you had understood, right? Now, this is the associative property. Associative means what? There is a one group and bracket is that, like, see the example in the multiplication. 7 into 2 into 5. Bracket में 2 into 5 है. So instead of that, what can we write in addition? 4 plus into bracket 3 plus 2. Like this, 4 plus 3 plus 2 is there. Or we can write 3 plus 4 plus 2. Here 2 is outside and 3 plus 4 is outside. So what will you get? Will you get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called the associative properties that is applicable for the addition. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
similar for the subtraction or multiplication. For subtraction, it is not possible. So I am going for the multiplication. For multiplication, what will become? Is it possible? Now just look it. Will you get the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
It is also applicable for the multiplication. For the addition and for the multiplication, it is applicable for the division. If here division is there, is it possible?
No, ma'am.
So same for the subtraction also. You will not get the same answer in case of subtraction and in case of the division. So associatively,
multiplication.
multiplication is applicable. In multiplication and in addition, it is applicable. For the subtraction and division, it is not applicable.
Okay, ma'am. समझ में आ गया.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It out.
No, ma'am. I have understood this.
I hope everyone has understood the first chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Opening that again to start it. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Again, I will explain you. Tell you. Closure property is what meant, beta? 0 plus 5 you are doing. Every time you should get the whole number only. If it is coming the whole number, then it is applicable. Right? Now see for the minus. 4 minus 5. Or you can say 3 minus, yes, here example is given, 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. But minus 3 is not a whole number. The whole number is, in whole number, negative integers cannot come. So minus 2 is not a whole number. so it is not applicable for the whole number. Multiplication, yes, it is applicable. Why? Because 3 into 5 if we are doing, if you are multiplying both the integers as a whole number, from the whole number, you will get answer is also in a whole number. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. 15 is also a whole number. So for the multiplication, it is applicable. Now for division, what is in division now? 5 divided by 8. So you will get the answer in a fraction only or decimal. So fraction and decimal are not coming in the integer, in the whole number. So it is not applicable for the division.
Okay, ma'am, I will understand.
I will understand. I have understand.
I have understand.
I will means you will try to understand and कभी ना कभी understand कर पाओगे that way. Okay, चलिए.